everyone, it's Liv and welcome back to my channel. The Clean Me light is on my Breville Barista Express, and you guys know I'm obsessed with this coffee machine. It's like my favorite thing ever, but the true bane of my existence is cleaning this machine. So I am sharing my 20-step Breville Barista Express cleaning routine with you today. Okay, so this is just basic descaling and then the machine's own clean function. You need a few things. So you need some white vinegar. You actually go through quite a lot of this each time you clean it, so I just buy the biggest one. The next thing you need are the Espresso machine cleaning tablets. You can buy these from Breville, but I have these ones from Amazon. I can try and find a link and link them below. Bought this a couple months after I got my machine, which was like over a year and a half ago, and there's still like so many in here. Every 2 months, you need to replace the water filter. So I also bought a package of these. I'm all out of them now, so this is my last one, so I'll have to reorder them, but I can link these below as well. On the water filter, every month when I put in a new one, I move this to the month that I have to change it next, so it's on the 2, which is February. So you just pull this thing off, throw out the old filter, and then soak your new filter. And I just put it in something like this and let it soak like that. Fill the water tank 50% with water and 50% with vinegar. Remove the tray out of the bottom. The water comes out of here kind of close to the front, so you just want to look under and see where the little spout is, and then put this so that it's right under the spout so that it catches the water drips. And then you want to put a container, I just like to use like a pot, underneath the group head so that the water that comes out of here is going to come out of there. Water tank back on. Turn on your machine, and then you want to press and hold the 1 cup button until half of the water tank has emptied. So from the max to the min, you want to keep pressing and holding it. It's going to shut off sometimes, but you just repress it and hold until you have drained half of the water tank. So once the water is about 50% out, you can see there's like lots of little coffee grounds and stuff in here. Then you want to turn this to the hot water setting and let it run until this is another halfway down. So until the tank is 3/4 empty. Then you want to just empty this out. Put the steam one in, just pointing like towards the middle of it. And then turn the steam, and you want to run the steam on for about 2 minutes. It obviously like doesn't deplete the water as quickly, so I just like to set a timer for about 2 minutes. Okay, so once you've done that, it is optional to do it again with water and vinegar. I always just do it twice for good measure because I just want to keep my machine running smoothly. So then there's always like a little bit of water left in the tank, so I just refill it again, half with vinegar and half with water, and run it through. Okay, and then whether you do that step once or twice, you want to do it one more time with fresh water. So I like to really like rinse out the water tank really well to make sure all the vinegar is out of it, and then replace it with fresh water and run that whole cycle through one more time. Okay, once you have finished all of that, you want to take the single cup dual wall basket. There's 2 baskets that are dual wall. One of them is single, and you know because it's smaller, the other one's double. So you want to do the single cup dual wall. Snap it into your portafilter. Then you want to take this rubber cleaning disc that comes with the machine. There's like a little kind of lip on the inside of this, and you just push this down until it hits that. To take one of your cleaning tablets, just put it right in the center. Then you want to put the tray into here, and this will collect all of the soapy water. Make sure that there is some water in the tank. Then you want to press and hold the 1 cup button, the 2 cup button, and the power button, and then hold them until the machine turns on. And then this is going to start its like cleaning cycle that it does on its own, so you don't have to touch it. It kind of like turns on and off a few times, and this takes about 5 minutes. So you can just stand by and wait for that to be done. Okay, so I wanted to show you, if you do the cleaning in that order, the Clean Me light should now be off. Sometimes, like I said, it's not off, but you should have like soapy water in there. The Clean Me light should be off, and the tablet should be dissolved in here. If it didn't dissolve, maybe you didn't have enough water in the water tank, or you just like didn't do the cycle right, but this is how it should look. Okay, so I've just, for the last time, filled the water tank with water. Then you just want to replace the new soaked filter into the water filter. And just make sure you put this ahead 2 more months so that you don't forget to do it. And then you just push it in, replace the water tank. And the last thing you want to do is just wash the drip tray and like all of your parts that get all caked on with coffee. Just wash them with hot soapy water. Okay, so I hope that this video was helpful. Like I said, all of the steps will be written out below, and if your Clean Me light didn't go off, but you know that you cleaned it properly, I will just put the steps you can do below to get that light off, because I know how annoying it is when you go through the whole process of cleaning and the light is still on and you're like, okay, this is not my fault. So I will put those below too. I will see you in the next one. Bye!